Hello, this is Alex Tafur from Tafur LLC, and today we're gonna watch this house right there. It's 40 degrees outside. It's gonna be up to 45, so I think we can spray water and we can get the job done. I'm gonna turn the camera so you guys can see the biggest challenge. So this is the wall that is not getting sunlight and is green from the top to the bottom. You see the flashing over there? The flashing is black. We're gonna change that to the bottom. You see it's all green. Ugly. We're gonna make it beautiful. All right, and we're gonna clean this sidewalk. The fence, it got contaminated too with that green ugly. All right, over here, oh, you guys had to see this. See that gutter? Gutter is ugly, all black, full of mold and the soffit. So basically this is the project. We're gonna clean the house, siding, around the windows, gutters, soffit, patio, all of that. Alright guys, we finally finished to clean this beautiful house, and as you can see, all the mold, the trim went back to white. This gutter over here, the sidewalk is not black anymore, and this wall was the biggest challenge. We have to apply the solution like 3-4 times, but finally everything come off. The fence nice and clean. You can see it from this better. You remember that gutter? I got it in the soffit. It was all dark, full of mold. This wall over here, you can see over here they have some kind of grease problem. Anyway, when it get dry, it's gonna look nice. Gonna look very nice. See that gutter? All clean. Alright, mission complete on that fence. Look how beautiful it looks now. Alright guys, this is Alex Tafur from Tafur LLC, property maintenance company located in Fairfield County.